So, this is a video I wasn't really going to make, but well, it's another market and it's really cool. Hi guys, how are you? Here we have some dried fish, and man, it stinks. And this is one of those places that not many tourists come to. Well, I actually saw one guy other than my group. So people here are extra friendly. They are really happy to have their picture taken, and in fact they encourage it. And it's just nicer than so many markets I ever seen. Hi girls, how are you? What? Iceland? Yes, Iceland. Yeah. What? North Pole, almost. Yeah. Yeah, very cold. Good here. Yeah. So we have coconuts. Look at these baskets they have for the coconut. This is very cool. This is for drinking. This. Okay, nice. Very inventive. Cool stuff. Bananas. Look at this. This is fresh. My local supermarket does not have fresh banana. I guarantee you that. Oh, here's a little princess crying. Hi. Okay, I'll go. Sorry. When I came here first, I had a beard like to here, and the kids were terrified of me. And I got some explanation later that I look like a devil. The devil has a beard like this and red in the face. I was very red, so I guess they thought I was that. So I want attention. Yeah. Here we have a beautiful girl selling tomato. Hi, tomato girl. Bin lava. And fruit. Look at this. This looks so good. This looks so fresh. Very good. Fresh fruit. Hi. The ceiling is hello. The ceiling is not very high. Hi. I kind of look like a cripple here, but everybody else seems to fit nicely under this. Hi. Hello. And so, dry food, peanuts, stuff like that. I will tell you that in Iceland, where I'm from, we don't really have stuff like this, but however, I do live in Spain now, and we have some of this there, and I really enjoy it. Because this is the heart and soul of any country, market like this. Here you see the people, here you see locals in their at their best. And especially now when business is good, here's more fish. And we have like these fish stands. Well, I guess I'm not a fish guy. Just don't like the smell. Oops, sorry. Hello. What? I'm from Iceland. Iceland. Yeah, you know? Punjabi. Okay. Hi Vina. Ole. So you're from Punjabi. Why are you here in Myanmar?
Yes, Myanmar.
Why?
Yes.
Why? It's good.
Good.
It's better.
It's brother no singer.
Singer?
Ah.
Okay, can you sing?
Yes.
Yeah, can you sing?
Yes.
Yeah, sing. Sing? Are you? Did you say you were a singer?
Singer.
Sing? Are you single? Oh. Oh my God! I got lucky.
Yes.
Yeah, but look at this.
Yes.
No single.
Oh, no single.
No single.
Oh, very wonderful.
Thank you. But nice to meet you.
When?
Wife home.
Yes.
Wife home.
Ah.
Okay.
Australia ki gift.
No, it's good.
Oh.
Okay. Thank you. Nice to meet you, Miss Punjabi.
Yes, Punjabi.
Yeah, bye bye.
Bye bye.
Okay, I actually got lucky here. You know, I could have ended up with a new wife, but I'm content with the old one, so I'm gonna just leave it with that. But I'm guessing the thing is, yeah, it's time to leave, and we had like this rendezvous point, but the thing is with me and directions, yeah, I'm lost. I'm not lost. I just don't know where I am. There's a huge difference. I'm gonna try this entrance here, and with that, I'm gonna end this short extra video I made today because I saw something that might interest you. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.
This time was coming soon.
Well, it wasn't that entrance or exit. Hi. So, well, no, I'm not lost. I just don't know where I am. And but here's the thing with these markets, they're like mazes. You think you have it. Hey, meat woman! Haha. You think you have it, and then you just don't. But it's not the end of the world. It's actually fun, and I can stay here a little longer. These are the trees that you use for the makeup. Yeah, okay. Not just a pretty face. You know, I know all kind of stuff. Thank you. I think I've been here before. So yes, I know her. I know her. Hi. Can I do the camera? Okay. But you don't know me. Yeah, I don't notice landmarks. I just notice pretty girls. So when I start to see the same pretty girls again, I know I'm on the right track. And here's the bicycle store. And here's a little guy who took my photo. Hi, guy. Yeah, I took a photo of him, and he just took a photo right back at me with his cell phone. That was nice. Hi, go. Oh, no, thank you. Ah, it's good? Yeah. I have found my way. So now I will say, I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.